Hey guys, it's Scott. Welcome back to the channel, and let's talk drones. So today I wanted to try something totally different. I'm at my house here in Pennsylvania in the studio. The weather really hasn't been that good in Pennsylvania, but let's talk about drones. So obviously, I think everybody in the photography community knows what a drone is and has probably used a drone for some aspect of their work. I fly drones all the time. I do a lot of commercial real estate work. I also fly a lot of aerials for building projects, for new buildings, for hotels, for residential and commercial work. I fly drones a lot, and I'm a licensed drone pilot. So a little backstory on the drone ban, and I'll put a link below so you can read about it. But basically, last year there was a bill introduced that would ban the use and sale of DJI drones, new models of DJI drones going forward. Right now this bill is in Congress. They've added it on to a Defense Department bill, like they always tag on bills to other bills to get them to go through. That bill looks like it's passed. So the next thing is for that bill to go to the Senate. Once that bill actually goes to the Senate and it gets approved at the Senate, it's going to be up for the president, I guess, to sign it. And I don't think he's going to veto it, so I'm pretty sure that's going to get signed into law. So the root of this bill stems from the feeling of some people that the DJI drones collect information, GPS information, data, photos, that kind of stuff, stores it on a server, and that server would actually be accessible to the communist government of China, which actually is not true. DJI has come out and said that we don't do that. We don't store personal information or anything like that on our servers. What's my plan for this? My plan is really simple. I'm going to keep flying. I'm going to purchase a Mini 4 Pro. I'm going to put it on the shelf. I'm going to use it as a backup drone. At least I have it covered in case something happens. And I'm just going to keep my eyes on it. It's a fluid situation. Right now, this bill, like I said, has to go to the Senate. The Senate has to get it approved. Then it has to go to get signed into law. You know, all that other political stuff that has to happen. I'm hoping that this isn't the case. I'm hoping that they take this bill out, this amendment out of the rest of the bill, and we have some chance to actually have some good discussion on this. But like I said, for me, I'm planning to buy a Mini 4 Pro. I'm going to buy it. I'm going to stick it on the shelf. It's going to be purely a backup drone for me, and we're going to see what happens. And that's it for the show. Thanks for stopping by. Sorry this video is a little late this week, but it's been a really crazy week here, and I'm going to be getting out and doing some shooting this weekend, which it's about time. And talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.